Hey there, welcome back. Learning English can feel overwhelming at times, but guess what? It doesn't have to be. Today, I'm sharing 5 easy habits that, if practiced daily, will help you improve your English in no time. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, practice speaking English every single day. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. You don't need a language partner? No problem. Talk to yourself, record your voice, or even use apps that connect you with native speakers. Trust me, the more you speak, the more confident you'll feel. Second, read something in English every day. This could be anything: articles, books, or even social media posts. Reading exposes you to new vocabulary and sentence structures, which will help you get familiar with how the language is used. Next, make it a habit to watch movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos in English. You can start with subtitles, but try to eventually turn them off. This is a fun way to improve listening skills and learn everyday phrases and expressions used by native speakers. Fourth, keep a vocabulary journal. Every time you learn a new word, write it down along with an example sentence. Review it regularly and challenge yourself to use these words in conversations or writing. This habit will help you expand your vocabulary faster. Finally, listen to English every day. Whether it's a podcast, an audiobook, or English music, listening will help you get used to how English sounds. Focus on understanding the rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation. So there you have it. 5 simple habits you can start today to improve your English. Speak, read, watch, write, and listen. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on learning English.